I've been working several hours on getting the brakes set up. Got the master cylinder mounted. I got a couple braces. I just got it tacked. I'm gonna weld it up. Take it apart and weld it up. I got brace on the bottom. Which hopefully if I run across anything, that brace will glance, because the master cylinder is sticking down below the chassis a little bit. But I had to do that because the brake line got to come in right underneath the chassis. But it works good. It works real. Matter of fact, it works better than a factory job. I don't know if I can see the stop back there. I put a little stop. So the brake pedal won't come too far forward and the shaft fall out. And I also put a little piece here just in case I lose adjustment and that shaft comes out and drops down a little bit. It won't fall all the way down and lose brakes totally. So it's pretty much bulletproof. I think the worst thing that happened if I run over a stump and the stump hits that brake master cylinder and knocks it loose. I don't think that's gonna ever happen though. So yeah, we good. Brakes, I'm gonna get it welded up and call the master cylinder done. I still gotta do a brake light switch. Hadn't got a vision. I call it a vision. Hadn't got a vision on that yet. So, except for I got options. I can, like I did on the Falcon, I got on Speedway and bought a switch. I think it was like 30 or 40 bucks. But I'm thinking I just make a switch, make my own switch. There ain't nothing but all these some contacts that'll make contact when I mash the pedal. That's all. It shouldn't be that complicated. I don't think I'm gonna spend no $30 or $40 for that when I can make it myself. We're gonna see. But anyway, yeah, brake light switch and get the brake lines plumbed in, and that should be, brakes should be done. But now I got the pedal where I need it, exactly where it's gonna be. Everything is hooked up. So now I can get in there, sit in the seat, see exactly where I need the seat to be. And the seat is gonna have some adjustment. This is gonna have a bolt to the floor, and I'm gonna have like 3 different spots where you can move the seat back. Of course, you have to unbolt it to move it, but you can move it back an inch or two, something like that is what I'm planning on. But I'm gonna set it up for me right now. And if anybody else gets in the driver's seat, they can't reach the pedal, they can adjust the seat forward or something. We'll figure all that out later. Right now I just want to get it where I can drive it. That's the main thing. So I get to the seat where I need to be, then I know where I need the steering wheel at. So, but the heat's on. I'm getting old, tired. I'm probably going to take the rest of the day off. I might sit here and look at it a little longer, see if I can figure out something on that brake light switch or whatever. But yeah, we got the brake master cylinder, brake pedal, and all that done. Consider it done. Appreciate you.